What's going on, guys? Sage Kieran here. We're back in Bali, baby, after doing season 1 in Seminyak, where we had an awesome time going to all their beach clubs, restaurants and bars. We're now in Kuta. I'm going to be giving you guys a 5-day tour. This is day 1. Here we are at Azul Beach Club in Legian. Okay, guys, it's a beautiful sunset happening right ahead of us, guys. If you look over there, we've got the beach, we've got a bunch of awesome beach bars. There was also the beer bus that just went down there, but right now I'm going to take you guys on a little tour of this awesome beach club. Let's go. I'm liking the vibe, guys. We're going to go up top first, just have a quick look of the view outside and see what it's all about. Let's go. I'm liking the music. Very nice, traditional. Seems like it's like all done by hand, you know. It's really nice. Let's go upstairs. Nice. It's very beautiful. Ooh, it feels dodgy walking backwards. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I didn't want to ruin the moment, eh? Got a beautiful viewing point right here. Have a look at that, guys. Digging the music here. Super nice. Super chill. You got the bar in the middle. Oh, these nice little booths surrounding it. Ooh, what's up top? I'm guessing this is like the VIP area. Okay, so normally I'm guessing if there's people actually up here, they'll bring down these screens so that you can actually look out, but look at that. That's awesome. Nice little ceiling piece of art. Very intriguing. How are you, darling?
I'm good.
That's my date. She's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go back down. Let's go see what the bar's doing. Get a little drink. All the lights just lit up. Man, I'm loving their little ceiling pieces they got here. It's awesome. Okay, let's get a drink. Let's see how good their drinks are. Do you have a San Miguel?
Yes.
A light? One San Miguel light. I just saw a pool, guys. We're gonna go have a little check out. Looks awesome. This is a vibe. I'm digging it. Well done, brother. Well done. We got the San Miguel light. I don't know where it's from. Is San Miguel from Asia? Is it Filipino? Ah, Philippines. Bagus, bagus. Yeah, bagus. Bagus. Ah, lovely. Delicious. Yum. Ooh. Bagus. You okay? Okay, guys, we're gonna have a quick little tour of the pool while we enjoy our beer. It's going down too easy. Let's go. Oh, look at this. Got a little decking area. Nice, I'm digging the vibes. Real chill music. Check this out, guys. You got a shisha menu. If you're a shisha connoisseur, they got you sorted. Personally, I love the vapes, so that's got my name written on it. Obviously, we've got the beautiful pool here, guys. I'm gonna dip my feet in, see what it's all about. Nice, refreshing. I dig that. Good temperature. Honestly, guys, I love this. This is why I love Bali. We're in a completely different area and it just feels like I'm in a whole nother country. Obviously, it has a lot of similarities to Seminyak, but Seminyak, in my opinion, feels far different to Kuta. Kuta, there's a lot more tourists, a lot more traffic, a lot more small roads. If you have a scooter, then you're gonna do well in Kuta. Don't bother getting a car in Kuta, you're gonna struggle. However, Kuta is awesome. I'm really digging it. It's a bit more expensive, I've noticed that, but besides that, I'm loving it. I'm gonna show you guys the beach, which is literally just across the road. We're gonna go check out some bars there, see what the vibes are like on the beach, so that you guys can see for yourself whether or not Kuta is for you. at Ella and Dut Beach Bar. So we're gonna try one of their young, juicy, fresh coconuts. Want to see how delicious it tastes? We're gonna get it refrigerated.
More new followers.
Where you from, bro?
New Zealand. Ah, this is Shopee.
Oh.
How you go YouTube? Ah, here.
Yeah.
There.
Cool.
Oh, so many. Subscribe, yeah?
Thank you, brothers.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You guys want a drink? Bintang, bintang, what do you want? 3 bintangs. You see that? Loyal, nice people. Little doggy. Poor guy's barely got any hair on him. What's happened to his hair? Thank you, brother. Let's have a little taste. Hmm? That's alright, I want to walk. Yeah.
Oh, this one. Subscribe. How many subscribers?
21.
21,000. Oh, you famous, brother.
Nah. Not yet.
Soon, yeah?
I want to be famous in Indonesia. I want the Indonesians to know me, you know?
Where you from, brother?
New Zealand. Ooh, what's...
Make it
No, Polynesian.
Polynesian, like Samoa, yeah?
I am Samoan.
Samoa. Malo.
Cook Island.
Malo.
Hey!
Saya 2 tolu 4 5 orang pitu 10.
Nice!
My name Malo. So
Your name is Malo?
So like similar like where you say hello in Samoa. Malo.
No wonder why you know it.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Well, one for you then.
Let's go.
Thank you, brother. Cheers. Gotta look after the locals. So we're gonna go check out some other bars before the sun goes bye-bye. Man, I am full. That coconut got me ready to bust a nut. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's filling my nuts up. Let's go. So guys, I'm pretty full. I just sculled that coconut like it nutted in my mouth. Okay, well, I can't be saying that. What the hell am I saying? But let's go check out these other bars, eh? We have Bayou's bar.
Yeah.
Bayou?
Yeah.
Nice. I love all these little huts they got going on here. It's super cute. It's much more densely populated than the Seminyak beach that I showed you guys on the last season of Bali tour that we've been doing. Here we have a nice restaurant, bit more chill. Lucy Beach Warung. It's really nice. We've got someone playing the guitar up front, giving a nice vibe. It's real chill. This is beautiful. You can see the sun in the distance. Going to bed, sending her off before we go into the nightlife of Kuta, which I'll be showing you guys tonight. We're gonna go down Legian Street, the main drag where all the parties and all the bars, you guys are gonna love it. Honestly, I walked down it last night, it was so much fun. Okay, so let's see what else we can find. Guys, I'm vibing to this dude on the guitar. You'll hear the song playing almost everywhere in Bali. It's the same music everywhere here in Bali. It's because they're trying to appeal to the tourists that come here, obviously. Makes sense. Ooh, what is that? Kanoa. Looks like a little beach club situation. Let's go investigate. Look at the plane. I mean, look at the clouds, bro. Look at how they look with the sun cascading on them. It's beautiful. Amazing. Oh, I think too many beers today. Whew. I'm feeling bloated. Just gonna take a chill pill on the beers, baby. But I'm loving this breeze on the beach. Let's go see what this Kanoa is about. So guys, here we are approaching Kanoa. Looks like a nice beach bar. Let's see what it's all about. Honestly, I love this beach. I'm not sure what the name is, guys, but I'll let you know in the comments. If you guys ever want me to go to any other part of Indonesia, just let me know, because I'm going all over Indonesia. we are at Kanoa. Let's check the vibe out. I love the music. Good vibe. Let's have a look. Have a little look from their viewpoint. You know, if you want to have a cheeky cocktail, watch the sun come down. It's quite nice. We're going to Legian. Let's go. It's hot. We're gonna go back to Legian, do some content there, and then that'll be us for tonight. Peace out. See, peace out, brother. Here we are on Legian Street. This is the heart of Kuta. If you guys like to drink, like to have a bit of a party, this is a great starting point to come check out some awesome bars and clubs until you go to the other nightclubs. But I'm gonna give you guys just a bit of a tour of Legian. Let's go. A leaf just fell on me and I caught it. Nice. We have Engine Room, Super Club over there, guys. Bit of hip hop R&B. Right now we're going to Avera, Sky Garden there. Ooh, I think there's a bar up top. There's a lot going on, guys. As always, this place gets packed at night time. So here we are at Avera. We're just gonna have a look, it's okay, it's okay. We're just gonna have a little look. Bit of Red Hot playing in the background. Little plants hanging from the ceiling. Cute little vibe. I'm digging it. Gotta turn the aircon on. Nice. Got the bar. I really don't feel like alcohol right now, so we're just gonna take a chill pill on the beers. Sweet. That's Avera. Let's go to the next one. So just across the road, we've got Ground Zero. They had some karaoke on there last night. It's awesome. I'm loving it. Got a nice, cute little shrine of some sorts here.
Terrorist bomb Bali.
Of course.
And those are the names of the victims.
Ah, okay.
So this is to honor them.
So we are going to Brother Nightclub. We've got Brother Nightclub. Nice little vibe. Got the Heineken towers, Bintang towers. Let's go. Let's actually go. Feeling good. Feeling like I got a bit of energy in me now. No. Oh, that actually looks nice. You do manicure, pedicure? Oh, just massage. Looks like the different type of massage. Oh, hello. 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 Are you a good boy? You gonna bite me? Sweet guys, now we're at the W Sports Bar. Always vibing every single night. Well, I've only been there 2 nights, but let's have a little check out. They like the football. I guess they got all their different sports up here. If you guys like sports bars, this is a good spot. Let's go somewhere else. Okay guys, we're gonna end it there. Your boy's cooked. I've had a very long day today, but it's been awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, this is only day 1 of 5. Tomorrow is day 2. We're gonna be going to a bunch of other places. So make sure you guys tune in for tomorrow's video to see what we're gonna be in for. It's gonna be something special, it's gonna be something awesome, but you're only gonna know if you tune in. So guys, I'll see you on the next one. Look after each other, be nice. Say something positive, I don't know. Just be nice, okay? Look after each other. Sage carrying out, baby. Peace.